In this video, I'll show you how to make your LinkedIn profile private. So if you want to stop other people from accessing certain information on your LinkedIn profile, then what we need to do is first just open up the LinkedIn website and make sure you're signed into your account. You can then click on your profile icon in this top navigation and select View Profile. In the right hand side, you'll see Public Profile and URL, and we just need to click on this pencil icon next to it. You can then scroll down on the right hand side of this page, and here you'll see your profile's public visibility. So if you just want to make everything private and stop other people from seeing any of your information, then you can just go ahead and toggle this feature here off. Now, once you've done this, this will stop anyone outside of LinkedIn from being able to view your profile. Now, instead of turning this off completely, what you can do is just go through each of the sections here, and you can just toggle off the individual items that you want to hide. So for example, we have our profile picture. You can go ahead and set who you want to be able to see this. I can change this to only first degree connections. I can change it to just my LinkedIn friends, or I can allow everyone on LinkedIn to be able to see my profile picture. And you can essentially do the same thing for all of the different sections here. You could decide whether to show or hide these individual items. Now, do bear in mind that if you want to hide your profile from someone you're already connected with, so if you already have someone in your network and you want to stop them from being able to see your LinkedIn, you'll actually need to go and block that individual profile. So let's say, for example, this person here is someone that I'm already connected with on LinkedIn. Well, you can go and block this by clicking on the More button, and then you can click on Report and Block and just select the block button like so and press block. And as you can see, this member will not be notified that we've just blocked them, and this will stop them from being able to view our profile. So those are the different options to hide your profile on LinkedIn. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.